Buttonbush, Cephalanthus occidentalis, is a native North American shrub known for its unique round, button-like flowers and its ability to attract pollinators. If you're interested in growing and caring for buttonbush, here are some guidelines to help you. Planting. Choose a suitable location. Buttonbush prefers moist to wet soil, so consider planting it near a pond, stream, or any other area with consistently damp soil. Sunlight requirements. Buttonbush thrives in full sun to partial shade. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Soil preparation. The ideal soil for buttonbush is loamy or clayey, with good moisture retention. Prior to planting, amend the soil with organic matter like compost to improve drainage and nutrient content. Watering. Adequate moisture is crucial for buttonbush. Make sure the soil remains consistently moist, especially during dry periods or the plant's establishment phase. Regular watering is usually necessary, but avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Monitor the soil moisture levels and adjust your watering accordingly. Pruning. Buttonbush generally has a naturally attractive shape, so pruning requirements are minimal. Prune only if necessary to remove dead, damaged, or crossing branches. Late winter or early spring, before the start of new growth, is the best time for pruning. Avoid pruning during the flowering period to preserve the next season's blooms. Fertilization. Buttonbush usually does not require regular fertilization if planted in a suitable location with nutrient-rich soil. However, if you notice signs of nutrient deficiencies or slow growth, you can apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the buttonbush, leaving space around the stem to prevent moisture-related issues. Mulching helps conserve soil moisture, suppress weeds, and improve the overall health of the plant. Use materials like wood chips, bark, or compost. Propagation. Buttonbush can be propagated through seeds or hardwood cuttings. Seeds can be collected from mature fruits and planted in a container or directly in the ground. However, they require a cold stratification period of several months before germination. Hardwood cuttings can be taken in late fall or early winter and rooted in a well-draining medium. Remember, buttonbush is a plant that thrives in wet or moist conditions, so providing ample water and suitable soil conditions is crucial for its success. With proper care, you can enjoy the unique beauty of its flowers and the wildlife it attracts to your garden.